Here is me painting the sides. I use a foam brush. I keep a little container with Mars Black in it ready to go so you don't have to waste paint. And I just kind of take it along the edge. Sorry, take it along the edge. I'm holding the phone and doing it, so it's not as easy as having the phone on a little easel thing. Okay, so this is how I paint the sides, and I dab the corners because those little areas that are folded might not get the paint in if you don't. I go underneath, and then I'll also, when this dries, I'll turn it over and I'll paint some underneath here better. So I just do this all the way around. And if you get a little bit on the front that you really don't want there, like that right there, I'm gonna kind of take a paper towel, it's wet, and wet it down, and I took a little bit of it off, and that kind of gave it that sharper edge, if you will. So if I do it one more time, that way you don't see it on the front. Some people like that little bit of paint on the front edge, and some people want it crisp, and so it just depends on what you want to do. But I'm gonna kind of make it a little crisp with the foam brush right up against it, and then you can take it and finish. This is just the first layer, so the second layer will even cover, will have better coverage. And again, I go underneath. Sorry, I'm holding the phone with my hand trying to do this. And I see a spot right over here that I want to fix, a little bitty spot right there. I just took that. Okay, now, as you can see, close up of this one. See all the textures? All that gesso texture that was created, and you can really see the light peach with all the different values of the grays. All those textures just really add to the look of the painting, the interest of the painting, the depth, everything. So now we've got the first layer going, and what I do after I have that first layer of the sides painted, I'll take this same little foam brush, because it will dry out. I'll dip it in my water and have it on one of these plates. Dip it in water again so it's really wet on both sides. And then I will take a little, again, another foam plate and put my paint on top. Of course, I'm going to put the lid on it. Oops, if I could find the lid. There we go. And I just put Mars Black on it. Of course, you can't read Mars Black, but I need to paint the word Mars on it. I'll tighten that up because I'm holding everything one-handed. So that is the first layer, and that's how it looks with the using the foam brush. I like that instead of a brush or a roller. I tend to get a more even, right up against the edge look with the foam brush. I just wanted to share that with you. And after this gets done, you'll see the final version with the black sides painted. Thank you. See you on the next one.